What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity.
And today we are taking a look at 7 biggest cities in Australia from above Perth, Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne, Adelaide, and Canberra.
This video was suggested to us by Steel Fabric. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate the suggestion. Guys, if you want to suggest videos and get a shout out like Steel Fabric did, there is a link in our description down below. It'll take you over to our Discord, and you can check it out in there through the links that you want us to check out in there. So, guys, before we hop into this video, if you would go ahead and give us a thumbs up, it truly helps us out in getting these videos out to more people. Also, if you would go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, that way you guys can stay informed on our future videos. And if you'd like to help support the channel even more and get an exclusive YouTube short shout out, click that join button down below. Let's hop in and check this out.
Let's do it.
Also, if you guys like the original video, the link to this video will be down in the description if you want to go check out the channel.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Perth.
Perth. They correct you. There's not Perth. Oh wait, the quality just went to shit.
Yeah, it did. It's kind of like we're on Australia's Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Sydney. I feel like we missed one.
No, I think it was all Perth. I'm just fucking with you guys. Perth. Beautiful city. I don't think we've really seen much overhead of Perth.
Very beautiful.
And honestly,
dude, that building is sick.
That
looking.
one in the middle, or to the left. Oh yeah.
It's just it's so funny how everybody has gone to this solid glass look, but just doing something different just sets you apart. Like it just looks so cool.
Just doing the construction on that middle one.
Yeah, definitely looks like it.
The one on the left that you're talking about, though, looks like 2 separate buildings.
I think it is. I can't tell from this angle, of course.
Right.
But from this angle, it does look like 2 separate buildings.
Yeah.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, I don't think we've seen a whole lot of You wanting to play it?
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't think we've seen a whole lot of overview of Sydney.
Or any other country. Yeah. Or cities, rather.
Yeah, we've done a lot of aerial drone reactions from a lot of our Southeast Asian content, but we haven't had a whole lot of...
okay, so, check it out, Look at the angles.
Okay, so it's one like building, it's just like...
It's like a stack
twisted,
of books that are just kind of off a little bit. I'm sure there's meaning behind it by the architecture.
Yeah, no, it's just offset. That's cool.
That's kind of cool. And then, you can see all the construction going on. From the other angle, from this angle over here, it's hard to tell. And I wonder if these white lines in the glass, I think it is. I can't even really tell from this distance. But that one's pretty
I was about to point
That's
that
real
one out.
Pretty.
Yeah.
That's so cool. And then you got these, like, just across the street. Actually, I think that's a highway. But it's like, what about us?
Yeah.
What about us? I want to see what's over there. Oh, check that out.
Yeah, that's dope.
Okay, so what is this? I feel like this is representing some type of river or possibly a road. Because that's pretty unique. And then look at that. Man, they got some really cool buildings. We're in Brisbane now.
At the top of that one where that is. That's dope.
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, Brisbane, you got some pretty dope shit.
Mm-hmm.
The Sky Tower.
That looks like something that Batman would hang out in. What did that say? Botanic Gardens.
I love how every major city has a Botanic Gardens.
Yeah. Melbourne.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Go back real quick. Oh, shit. There's going to be some really dope shit. Okay, so that's cool as fuck. The different, looks like different texture more than anything. Even though we know it's angles in the glass, I'm guessing. And then this thing looks dope. This is kind of like that other building that was in Sydney.
I think it shows another
angle. Yeah, it's about to.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right there.
that is sick.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Which city has the best skyline?
I think they're just. I've never understood the. That looks almost like the building in. This looks like one of the buildings. It kind of looks like the Batman building in Nashville, but also like, what is it? Chicago has a building that looks a lot like that. I think they do.
Skyline, I would want to see what they look like at night as well.
Oh yeah, that's like the.
You can't judge a skyline without seeing the day end.
Yeah, because if it's lit up, that's what changes everything. Like Dallas skyline in the daytime isn't great or anything special, but at night it's amazing.
Right.
Especially during the holidays.
That's a dope building.
Like stair steps. Oh yeah, I didn't even realize it was all one piece.
That's cool.
I'm guessing those are observation areas, so you can kind of get out there and look. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that's awfully low considering how much taller it is.
Right.
It's
It'd
like
be dope if that was like above the observation area where it's just flat.
Right here.
If that was like a pool top.
I feel like that'd be high, like for a pool. For for wind and stuff like that reasons.
And there's no like a surrounding area to
Dude, they
keep
do a
you from
lot of
flying
this.
off.
I really dig this.
Yeah.
That's real pretty.
Adelaide.
Lots of solar.
Mm-hmm. That's dope. Convention center.
You know what that looks like?
Huh.
And I'll put a picture right here of it as well. It kind of looks like the new Atlanta football stadium.
Really?
U.S. football
I haven't
stadium.
seen it.
Yeah, it has those same. I mean, I think it's got more sharper edges, but more or less, it's got the same look. And it's a dome, so or a retractable roof, whatever you want to call it. I mean, this even looks kind of cool.
Yeah. No, all of
This
these
looks
are dope.
super futuristic.
Mm-hmm.
All of this right here, I think is really cool. What does it say? Convention center? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Canberra.
What is that? Whatever that is.
Looks like battery
It does
terminals.
look like batteries. But it looks like, now you want to talk about something that looks like Tony Stark would own?
Mm-hmm.
That's what that looks like. That looks like it hooks up to like one of his planes or something. That's
Right.
super cool.
Yeah.
And say for this.
Shitload
this
of
thing-
solar panels
Yeah, look
on
at all
top of
that
that.
solar, bro. That's
Yeah.
all solar. It's like, I just want to keep the power on in my house.
Yeah.
Now, this is a completely different take.
Old Coke.
That is cool.
Yeah. And that's a beautiful skyline.
Yeah. I mean, it's different.
Right. Well, the
It's more
background of this
spread out.
skyline
This
is-
reminds me more like a Miami setting.
Yeah. But the difference between what we're seeing here and what we saw in the other skyline spots that we saw, where this has the water in the background.
Yeah.
So it's a different perspective, which I'm sure there's water in the background of most of the other ones. We just didn't see it from that angle. So if we're basing off of what we saw, I like this skyline the most, just because the water's in the background.
Yeah, and it's very, like I said, it's very Miami-esque because you got a lot of the waterways going off the ocean into the actual city.
Yeah. No, this was super cool though,
Could you
guys.
imagine? I could only imagine how much it would cost to live right here with the docks right off the water.
Oh yeah.
And you got this big, beautiful home, but yet you have access to the street. You can just go wherever you need to go, but at the same time, you could take your boat. It looks like almost everywhere.
Yeah. And guys, suggest more aerial drone footage.
We love that
If
kind of
y'all
stuff.
are interested
Yeah.
in watching it, we definitely like seeing different perspectives of these cities and stuff.
Because we've watched lots, like especially our Southeast Asia stuff, we've watched a lot of aerial, and then also like somebody walking or riding a bike or going down the road, just to give you different perspectives from in the city.
Right.
Which, I mean, gosh, I could just look at this stuff all day. I like architecture as from a very ignorant standpoint. Like, that looks cool. That's pretty. I like that.
Like you don't know anything about the architecture. You just
exactly.
It looks dope.
It just looks really cool. I appreciate it for what it is. But guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to
support us directly,
hit that join button. And with that being said,
my name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
out.